Alright guys, you want to be able to achieve this screen record, that is the frame right here. If you want to know how I was able to do it, then follow me to the screen, let me show you what I did. And if you're a first time comer, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel and like my video. So without further delay, let's get to the screen guys.
Okay guys, so the first thing you have to do is go over to Play Store and install Canva on your device. Canva, that is going to be the app we'll be using today. So install Canva on your device. I already installed mine, so I'll just go ahead to open it since I already have it on my device. So once it's open, you allow it to load, and this is how the interface looks like. Now this is how it looks like once you open it. So you want to go ahead to tap on that search space right there and click and search for YouTube thumbnails, since we're going to be using the recommended size for YouTube videos. So just type in YouTube thumbnails and then search, allow it to load, and then that should give you all these YouTube thumbnails. Just go ahead and click on that blank space right there. There is a plus icon, click on it and that should give you a blank white space, right, for new project. Go ahead to click on the blank white space and then that should give you options to change the colors for the background. So you can go ahead to select whatever color you want to use for your background. I think I'm going to be using this one for the purpose of this video. Now click on elements and then go over and click on frame, since we will be using the phone frame, right? So you can as well search for it and then click on it, and then that should give you all these phone frames. The ones with the crown are pros, you have to pay to use those ones, but the ones at the top are free, so you can go ahead to pick whichever you want. And then once you pick it, you then resize it on the background that you just created. So make sure you just resize it to anyhow you want it to be, and then once you are done with it, you go over to elements again, go over to elements, and this time around you're going to look for upload, swap right, and then you will see upload. Click on upload. Once you click on upload, and that should give you the option where you click on this file upload file, right? Click on that and then it's going to take you to your file manager. Once it takes you to your file manager, you click on the three lines at the top left, right? So let me show you guys right there. Click on it and then that should give you these options where you click on all galleries, since we are going to be importing our videos from our gallery, right? Click on all gallery and that should take you directly to your gallery, and then you can pick the video you want to use for the video. Make sure it's portrait guys, and then once you pick it, it's going to take you back to this interface. So go ahead to click on upload this time around and then you will see the video we just uploaded. Now that's the video we uploaded just now, and then click on the video and resize it on the frame. So just drag it to the frame and it's going to automatically take the shape of that frame. So once you are done with it, you can then go around it, play around with it, and then make sure you resize it to how big you want it or how small you want it. And once you are satisfied with your results, you can as well go ahead to download your video directly to your gallery, guys. So it's not really difficult downloading it. You already know how to download, right? So just click on the top right there, on that icon right there. Let me show you guys, and then you download it. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe, and if you're coming for the very first time, also please subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.